Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we sort our data in ascending or descending and how can we use custom sorting on our data. Let's get into the video. I have a very simple example with the three columns ID, sale and quantity. If I want to sort this column in ascending order, ascending means smallest to largest, I will place the cursor within this column and then within the Home tab, you can see the editing section. There is a sort and filtering option. So if I just click on the node side, so first option is sort smallest to largest. Click on this one. So now you can see this column has been sorted from smallest to largest. Control Z to go back. So next thing is if I want to sort the data in descending order, it means largest to smallest. For this quantity column, I will place the cursor within the column. Same within the Home tab, editing section, sort and filter. Second option is sort largest to smallest. Click this one and it will sort the data from the largest to smallest. Control Z to go back. Now the custom sorting. So if I want to apply the sorting on more than one column, so I will use the custom sorting option. So place the cursor anywhere within your data and then go to the sort and filter from the home section. Third option is custom sorting. If I click this one, a window will pop up. Now you can see it's showing me the column. So sort by this column, it will appear, it will show all three columns or all the columns from your data. First, I want to sort this sale, sort on cell values, and order is smallest to largest. And if I want to add another sorting layer, so I will click this one, add level, and then I want to sort quantity column. Again, I want to sort smallest to largest. I can add level as many as I want, and I can delete the level from here as well. So just press OK. And now you can see the sorting has been applied according to my choice. So first formula will sort this column and then it will sort this column. Now you can see the figure 35 is smallest than the 90, then why it's appearing here, why it's not appearing on on this cell? Because this sale value cell has a less figure, small figure as compared to this one. So if formula is in that clash where these, by sorting the one column, it's gonna mess the other column sorting. So the formula will always prefer the first column which we define in the custom sorting option. So our first column for sorting was sale, then it was quantity column. So first preference will be to sort this column and then this column. Whereas if the values is same for this both cells, now you can see it has sorted from the smallest to largest for the quantity column, like 40 is here, 50 is here. Whereas the figures are different, so formula will always prefer to sort the data according to the first column. So this was the custom sorting option.